Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you that now no one can steal your phone, and if someone steal your phone, how you can easily track your phone. Simply in order to do this, just you have to go to Play Store and now here download this application Track It even if it is off. Simply just download it in your cell phone, and now after that just open this app, and simply just when you open this app you have to go to next, and after that click on get started. So now here are multiple options: fake shutdown. So when you enable this, simply the fake shutdown will be appeared on cell phone, and when someone steal your phone or try to make it turn it off, simply it will show the fake shutdown, fake airplane mode. So simply when someone put your cell phone on airplane mode, it will be fake airplane mode. So here also panic button, that notification will be sent to your number which is added in the application. Simply after that you can add the lock app, low battery SMS, and trigger selfie. So when you turn this feature on, the person's selfie will be captured and send it to your number or email. So after that, when you turn all these options, you can easily track the lost cell phone or if someone stolen your phone. So in this way you can easily track your cell phone.